Seeing a fixing unit error on your Canon LBP 2900 printer? Don't worry, here's how to fix it in under a minute.
First, turn off the printer completely and unplug the power cord. Wait for about 30 seconds before continuing. Next, open the printer cover and carefully inspect the fixing unit area. Remove any jammed paper or debris you find. Take out the toner cartridge and reinstall it properly. A loose cartridge can sometimes trigger fixing unit errors. Reconnect the power cable and turn the printer back on. Wait for the printer to complete its startup process. If the error remains, the fuser assembly may need professional servicing or replacement. Follow for more printer troubleshooting tips.